Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is an interesting one, middle of the workday, but yeah, I'm watching the market as I always do. And as you guys can see, the market rallied. Really strong case for a bottom, if I'm being honest. Obviously, we stalled out a little bit, and this is the QQQ NASDAQ futures. You can see it way more clearly that this moving average was an area of resistance. And so we did get rejected off of it, not once, but twice. And then we just had an explosive move. Now it looks like we're using it as support. So, everything checks out as this being a really constructive move. And so I'm excited about the market going forward. But the more important update is that there is now a 2 that starts my portfolio. So that's pretty cool, right? Let me refresh the page so you guys don't think I'm cheating. As you guys can see, that is 201. And so yeah, I hit my goal early. And you guys are kind of getting like not a live reaction, kind of like a delayed reaction, because I knew it was going to happen as soon as I woke up this morning. Once I saw how the market was doing, I was like at 198 or something. I was like, yeah, I'm going to get it. But yeah, so early impressions, right? Because it's only been maybe 3 hours since I found out. I mean, it's been quite a year. I keep bringing this up pretty often. Everyone that knows me knows that I quit my job last year, November 2019, to basically go on a self-improvement journey, I guess you could call it. Took a lot of online courses, but then the pandemic hit, and the best buying opportunity of my lifetime happened in March, and I didn't have a job. So I couldn't add more money to it. I had to be pretty conservative in terms of how much money I actually did end up investing. And on top of that, right, because companies went on hiring freezes, which delayed my job search, it meant that I actually had to start living off my portfolio earlier this year. So it was just like such a rocky year. And I remember just feeling pretty anxious and just down like back in March and April and stuff like that. Even though I did kind of time the bottom well back in March, it was just a weird year. And so if I had a job, honestly, 9 out of 10 cases that I think about, like if I run the scenario in my head 10 times, I think nine out of those, I would have had a much better outcome. So yeah, kind of strange, but I feel like this is one of those like learning opportunities, obviously. And one of those opportunities that make me better, right? Because obviously unexpected stuff does come up. But yeah, and so yeah, just in terms of early thoughts, obviously it feels cool to hit my goal, because I did set a goal for that. I'll probably announce my new goal for 2021 later this year. Who knows where I'll finish at the end of this year? Maybe it's going to be more than 200K. Maybe it's going to be less. We'll see. And yeah, overall impressions. I would say that I'm looking forward to next year, just to kind of have a clean slate with a job, with an income. I did end up getting hired as a spoiler alert. So I'm looking forward to next year because it's going to be more like an even playing field, and I can yeah, just start the year off fresh. So I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and all support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.